Guys, we are pulling up to the Mad County Standard. Oh my gosh, and is it beautiful?
Looks nice.
All right, guys, welcome back to the show. Today, we're doing a tour of a post frame home we built. Our clients are letting us come through before they move in this weekend, so we are super pumped.
Yeah.
It looks amazing. So we'll go ahead and do a tour and check it out.
Yeah.
I'm excited to go in here and see it.
Yeah, me too.
Looks beautiful. All right, guys, we're up here. Emily and I came. We're gonna go in here, meet with Jen. She's one of the owners, and then I'm gonna give you a tour. But let's go ahead and just go in and check out this great room. Let's
So
go.
excited about it.
Oh man. All right, guys, so for those of you who followed us, this is the Mad County Standard build. We did a build series on this when we built it I believe it was last spring. We were building it, but it's finally all done. So we're grateful to the owners that they're gonna let us kind of walk through before they move in this weekend. So there's nothing in the house yet, which is amazing, just to walk around and look at it. So let's go ahead and take a quick tour. All right, let's check it out. So there's the garage, got black garage doors. Chose to cover all the posts and beam with black metal. Did a little bit different ceiling on this one. Did the legacy panel. Looks pretty good. It's white. Obviously, you guys probably remember the stone that I put up around the door. Obviously, there's the great room right there, sliding door. This looks amazing. Still got the dirt splatter before the gutters were put on, so obviously this all needs to be brought up to grade yet. All right, guys, we're gonna start here in the garage. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. So this is a 2-car garage. Got the electrical panel over here. All the windows are trimmed out, drywall ceiling, walls, everything. Hot back door, the stoop over here. Let's check out the utility room. So we got all the in-floor heat stuff here. All the plumbing. An electric boiler. So all this stuff was decided on by the client, so having the electric boiler, all that kind of stuff was their choice. So be interesting to see how their efficiency is with the electric boiler. I like gas boilers personally, but I mean, this turns out amazing. Got central air, furnace, jack shaft openers, love it. So this will be the laundry room in here, right off the garage. Got polished floors, nice little mudroom area. Little half bath here. Got a walk-in pantry on the kitchen over here with a barn door. Looks amazing. What is this quartz?
Yes.
Love it.
Yes, it gives me my good energies.
I like the backsplash in it.
Yeah, so but they have to come back on the carpet.
Over here, just have another little closet. Then we walk into the master here. Got a receptacle for TV, all that kind of stuff. Nice black windows. Master bath is amazing. Double vanity on this side. Got the tub over here, right by this beautiful window looking out. Look at that view. It's gorgeous. Got tile shower on one side. Toilet room on the other. And then we got a walk-in closet back here. My gosh, this looks so amazing. Love it when you get a project that's all done and can just kind of sit back and look at everything. This is the great room. Got a slider going off over here onto the porch. Got 18-foot ceilings in here, wood stove with stone all the way up. Let's go upstairs, check that out. It's engineered flooring. Nice, great room out here, looking over to the downstairs. And then we got 2 bedrooms up here, a bathroom. Got 1 bedroom here. I like that. And we got another bedroom down here. A walk-in closet. Another great view from this bedroom. We got a little closet off the hallway here. And then we got the bathroom in the middle. Nice tub shower. Vent still has to go in. Toilet. Boy, this looks amazing. Alright guys, that's going to be a wrap on the tour of the Mad County Standard. If you guys are interested in these plans, we have them on our website. They're the Mad County Standard. So we're really excited that we were able to come through here before they moved in. So we appreciate them letting us do that. But what else do we have here?
Well, we have the Barndominium process. If you're interested in building a home like this and you want some expert help, we can help you discover what you need to know about your land, budget, design, all of that. You can also check out our budget sheet, which is on our website. That's going to be a really comprehensive way for you to plan out what you need to spend, how and where you need to spend it.
Yeah, and you can check all of that out on our website. It's mrpostframe.com. We have all of the information on there. Check it out. If you have any questions, let us know. As always, we appreciate you watching. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, share it with your friends, and we will catch you on the next video.